I want to show you what the chin-up pathway might look like with a pole, and this is why it's important for you to work on some of the active hang or scapular work that we've been talking about. So you understand that you're not just yanking on your bicep when you do a chin-up, you're actually trying to work on this area here. So one of the ways I got taught, and this is not necessarily the be-all and end-all of a chin-up, is we're going to start here and pretend we're at full hang position. So that's with shoulder elevation or my shoulders coming up. From here, to initiate your chin up, ideally it's shoulders pulled into hips, pulling bar down towards chin area I should say, and then pulling in like so. So that's how we try and do our chin up as best as possible. So it is a chin up with almost a bit of an arching hang. From there, bar comes up, elbows extend out, and then shoulders come up again. So I'll show you again. Shoulders pulled into hips, pulling here, and then pulling into bar like so. And that's where doing rows or ring rows are going to help you with getting that position of pulling yourself right into that bar. So I just wanted to show you what that looks like. If you've got questions, make sure you sing out. You don't have to do a chin up like that. You can just pull up and down like so, but I do find, so one of the things that really got one of my clients across the line was understanding that pull here. And it's just great for working a full range chin up. I feel like, again, with any strength, if you take shortcuts or you don't work the full range, that's sometimes when you can get into a bit of bother. This chin up's great because you're starting from all the way from the bottom and working to full range, which is getting the bar not just here, but into your chest. And I think that's good from a perspective of working on that scapular depression, as well as getting that retraction as well, which I think a lot of us need.